Hello and welcome to Duquesne Court, the historic Art Deco block built in 1937. And what's very useful about these purpose-built blocks are the built-in storage cupboards. 1, 2 and 3 built-in storage cupboards. We've started in the reception room, always Sean's favourite place, because that's where you'll find the drinks trolley. Let's move on to our fitted kitchen, and as you can see we have a built-in oven, hob and extractor fan and the all-important wine rack. If you like cooking, there's plenty of space to prep, and the kitchen window has a very nice outlook over the communal gardens. Duquesne Court has a manned 24-hour concierge service. There is residence parking and heating is included within the service charge. So let's move on to the double bedroom. Again, lots of built-in storage cupboards here with 3 built-in wardrobe cupboards. Duquesne Court is just a 2 to 3 minute walk away from Balham Northern Line Tube and also the mainline station. It's very well located. There's lots of little Art Deco features in this flat, like these lovely Bakelite Art Deco style door handles. Moving swiftly on to the white bathroom suite, I just love the chunky wash hand basin, and it's fully tiled, so super easy to keep clean. You've got a mixer tap shower attachment there, and you've also got a heated towel roll. Thank you for watching our video tour of this very well presented 1-bedroom flat. If you have any questions, please do contact Porter's Estate Agents. Thank you for watching.